Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $100 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $100, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. TOYFORU RG601 MAX Drone 8K 1080p Pro level electrically adjustable lens, high definition electric phase shifting camera, realistic wide angle lens, shooting angles through remote control, brushless power, GPS positioning for return flight, GPS positioning for return flight, omnidirectional laser obstacle avoidance, 2000 meter flight, 25 minute flight time, 35% increase in battery life. Fly once you can also return with a full load. New high precision cinematic pixel main camera, easy and lossless output with just one click, faithfully restoring every scene of yours. Multifold free zoom, fearless high altitude vision, 90 remote control, 120 degrees wide angle range. After takeoff, the flight position is recorded using GPS satellites. When encountering low battery, over range, and out of control, make it easy to recall and fly. Number 2. S188 GPS Rc Drone 4K. The UAF has its own GPS positioning function, which can achieve one-click return, low power and out of control automatic return, dual cameras with optical flow, fixed height mode and 4-side obstacle avoidance function, up, down, forward, backward, left, right turn, left, right fly, fine-tuning in each direction, stable and easy to operate connected Wi-Fi system functions, photography, video and real-time transmission, emergency stop, trajectory flight, one-button surround, intelligent follow, add music, screen rotation, display aircraft position, built-in HD dual camera, front lens can be adjusted through the remote control, 180 degrees view, more comprehensive speed gear freely change, aircraft adjustable headless mode function. The remote control is rechargeable with a display, and the body is equipped with 8 LED night lights. The arm can. Number 3. SG107 MAX Drone 5G, 1 key GPS return to the takeoff point, low battery return, no signal return. After the aircraft is connected to the GPS, turn on the APP follow function, and the aircraft will follow the movement of the mobile phone. 2. Image tracking, 1 to 5 meters away from the aircraft to identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, make a camera gesture facing the camera. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Find the center point of circling, and then move the desired circling radius through the joystick. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times continuously to open the map interface, and the map will display the final dist. Number 4. TOYFORU D8Pro Rc Professional Drone HD 9.0 adjustable lens, quality clear and exquisite, with real beauty ed full HD pixel and electronic tuning lens. Eye more than reaches electronic pan tilt, built-in is electronic anti-shake technology for dynamic adjustment, fuzzy connection, improved image, stable output, GPS multifunction return, intelligent loss prevention system can easily achieve low power consumption, operations such as over distance, out of control, one-click return. 8 Cetera optical flow visual hover, a more stable flight system that can be maintained at all times. Hovering at a height makes it easy to use, brushless motor, strong wind resistance, equipped with 4 efficient and energy-saving brushless motors, powerful and supports annual photography of sea flights, 20-minute long endurance, equipped with large capacity lithium battery, modular, designed for easy installation and use. Number 5. OCDAY new L900 Pro Drone. Open up a new perspective for recording daily. The L900 aerial photography drone injects powerful flight performance into a lightweight body. It can accompany you to travel at any time, with the easy-to-use app, to help you fly freely, create as you wish, and discover the beauty of the other side of familiar things. The L900 brings a simple and intuitive operating experience, making flying easier. There is more flight teaching, which is convenient for you to master flying skills more quickly. Follow me mode. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easy to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. Electric adjustment camera. The remote control adjusts the camera remotely, which is more convenient and faster, and see the world from multiple angles. Light flow hovering at fixed height. The breakthrough technology of fixed height, indoor, outdoor can hover accurately.